Hey guys, I'm Katie at ScreenScape, and today I'm going to show you how to use our new YouTube template. So on the main media page, you click open our template library using the yellow plus button, and you'll find the YouTube template right there. So go ahead and click it, and it'll bring it open into our media editor. So the first thing I want to show you is it opens the default video full screen. You can find the link over here in the layer tab. So to change this and to get started and get your own YouTube video, you're going to copy the link to the video you want from YouTube, and then you're just going to paste it into the layer and then hit enter on your keyboard. Perfect, and there's the video that I wanted. Awesome. So first thing I want to say is it puts the video directly into the media panel at full screen. But if you want to change it, you can grab the corner handles here. You can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. You can drag it all over so you can rearrange your design if you want to have like an image behind it and then a video over top, then that's totally doable. So I'll show you an example of how to use a video from YouTube over top of one of your advertisements. When you put a picture in, make sure that you keep the YouTube layer on top of the image, otherwise the image will cover it. So you just want to make sure to keep it organized that way. So here I'll add another layer just to show you again what I mean. When you put a new asset in, it automatically goes to the top of the layer panel. So just make sure that you drag it down beneath the YouTube layer so you can see the video. If you've got any questions or comments, feel free to send me an email at MediaCorner@screenscape.com.